Hey y'all, it's your girl Lolo. Today, I just wanted to show you guys a video that I was trying to make of a set for us for Halloween. This was my inspiration. Yeah, it went totally left and came out looking a hot mess. So, I got to the two and I just kind of quit, but I said I'll go ahead and upload the drama just so you guys can have a little chuckle. I'll be commenting here and there. Yeah, so enjoy. Hope you get a good laugh. So, of course, I'm starting off with the sun. I forget what his name is. All of that. I didn't pay attention. But yeah, I did this late in the midnight hour, and it took me like so many hours just to get these two characters. When I quit for the night, I think I quit forever. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll continue it, but have a laugh. Oh, I missed the whole red. I don't know what I was doing there. Anyway, missed this jumpsuit. But whatever. Yeah, and I have it sped up quite a bit so that you don't have to say, because like I said, it took me hours and hours and hours, and it was just a hot mess. Yeah, and I'm flash carrying it when you see me put it off the screen or it goes blurry, I'm flash carrying it. But anyway, I'm going to be quiet until I see something really ridiculous happen. His head is just too skinny at the top. It's just, there's so much wrong with this. It just doesn't make sense. But I have to practice my drawing. I have to practice because it's a hot mess. Can you fix the head there? Fix the head, girl. Oh, Lord. I have a real problem with proportion also. So I need to proportion, angle, all of that. This just needs work. Fix the head. Didn't fix the head. Poor child. His head is not that long. Fix that ear too. Goodness sake, do something. I was okay, I got long hair. I didn't even notice that. Now, I was told this was good, but a person that loves me told me that, so of course they're gonna say it's good, but it's really crap. Guess at that point I gave up and said, hell, just not good. Next one is like even funnier. And as you can see in the top left, I am putting a reference picture up there just so you can see how off it really is. That's at this point, bro. There's so many changes. But you see, I redid these two nails. I did two other ones with that base. I'm gonna do something else. Because I just couldn't, I don't know, I don't have the patience. I got too much going on in my life right now to sit up here and worry about these crazy people. Because they was coming out crazy. I really need to learn how to draw characters though. That is my goal. Also, my another goal is that stupid ass acrylic marbling. I'm gonna get it. I don't know what the hell is going on here. I really don't. Oh my god, what? What on earth? Okay, yeah, hair. Yeah, this is just scary. This is a classic example of Lolo doing the absolute most. Just too much, too much. Poor child. Poor child. Why? 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 Just pack some more on there. Okay. Can we fix it? I don't know. She's scary looking, I'll say that. Fat cheek does know how it works. It was okay there. It was okay there. What the hell? Why did I just why? Yeah, screw over. Okay. And, oh, God. just don't know what I was thinking. Yo, that is terrible. Them lips, just why? Oh,